so shook right now. I cannot believe I'm about to unbox this. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a very, I wouldn't say spontaneous, but like impromptu. This is being filmed, edited, and going up the same day as a bonus video for you guys. As you can tell, we have something very special to unbox today. And as always with any like unboxing video, I just want to give you guys a bit of a disclaimer because me posting unboxings isn't to ever make anyone feel pressure that they need to upgrade things. I actually at the beginning of the year set 2 big business goals for myself, among other business goals, and I told myself if I hit those that I could upgrade my computer setup because as you guys know, I have like a $100 monitor and honestly it does the trick. I can't complain, but as someone who, just for a few reasons, like with my chronic migraines and post-concussion syndrome, I primarily edit off of my MacBook and I love her so much. I love my MacBook. Her name is Mildred. My MacBook, yes, I name everything in my life. So Mildred the MacBook is great, but I'm just like constantly squinting. It's really small and you guys know I upload 3 videos a week and this is my full-time job. Like this is my full-time job compared to my part-time corporate job. So I figured it was time to invest in my business and myself a little bit. And I'm really, really, really excited. And I'm also just really proud of myself for those milestones that I hit. And of course, I know it's so cheesy, but I would not be able to do this without you guys. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. But I do want to say that if you're starting a channel, don't feel like you need this like giant setup, right? Like a computer, any computer, or even your phone is totally gonna work for you when you are first starting out. I've had my channel for over 5 years now and I am finally upgrading my setup. So I just want to put that little disclaimer in there that I don't want anyone to feel pressured watching this video. I just think Apple unboxing videos are so fun and I love watching them. Like they're like comfort videos to me. I'm also such a hand talker, I'm realizing now, but I'm super excited. Also, so crazy, you guys. I'm filming this at 11 a.m. I ordered this at 8:30 this morning and it's already here. I did have to pay $13 for like day of shipping, but when you're already spending like the money on a computer, I was like, okay, well, I can pay the $13. It was either like free shipping would come at the end of the month or I paid $13 for it to come today. And I was like, well, it'll come today at some point. And it came within 2 hours of ordering it, which is like next level. Like Apple is on X Games mode. Like a little present to myself for just doing so much, balancing so much, and I'm really proud of myself. And you guys know that's something I'm trying to work on, is being more proud of myself. So honestly, enough talking, Carter. Let's jump into unboxing my new iMac. I do not even know. Oh, okay. So this comes down. Oh, it kind of like all opens up. Ooh, I can't believe this is happening right now. Also, I'm going to put on the screen the exact model that I got. And I'm not a tech YouTuber. I have no idea what I'm doing. So please enjoy this unboxing from an everyday galley. Okay, I'm going to take... Oh my gosh. I also had no idea it came with the mouse and keyboard, which is such a good deal. So we've got the keyboard here and then a lot of wires. This I'm assuming is the mouse and we'll open it all after when we put it together. Okay, one cord. And plug in, and then I don't know what's in here. This is, oh, I'm assuming, yeah, this is like all, and then we've got like stickers and stuff as per usual. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's like the tiniest keyboard I've ever seen. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is the best day of my life. I'm literally so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
All right. Okay, first thing that I'm turning on is the secondary click and then also the tracking speed because it's slow. So I want it to just work like a normal mouse. It comes like right in the middle, which is like pretty slow. There's a bit of a lag. So just make sure that you move it up if you want it to be kind of like more like a normal mouse. Also, I'm dumb and I realized the charger is to charge the mouse. So that's good. First things first, I am a Chrome galley. And then I'm also just gonna take off a bunch of stuff from my dock. Okay. Okay, this one's gonna take up a lot of room, but okay. And then I'm just gonna download my Final Cut Pro. And then, okay, so if you guys didn't know, Canva has like all these really cool templates, which I think is so fun. I just like love these. And you can obviously customize them to be, you know. I'm trying to decide if I want to do one of these. I think I might do one of these once I've had a bit more time, but I'm just going to download my fall wallpaper for now, which this one is mine. I can link it for you guys down below. It is just from... I made it myself and it's linked on my Pinterest. My stuff dark. Okay, and then I also just like dark mode, so I'm going to do that. And that's honestly it, you guys. I'm such a simple gal. I'm just waiting for my Final Cut Pro to finish downloading, which might take a while. So that's my update. Alrighty guys, I am going to take the next few days to just kind of very intentionally put things onto my iMac and kind of figure out what I want on my MacBook versus my iMac, because they obviously are both for work. So if you guys want like an iMac tour or something, or maybe I'll put in a vlog or something, make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll do that, but it does take me some time to figure out like what apps I want. Like right now I literally only have Final Cut Pro on here and I'm kind of trying to decide what I want on which one. But before I end this off, I want to let you guys know the sale that Apple is having, which is the reason why I got it right now, because I was going to wait until the next quarter, but I was like, you know what, Apple's running a really good sale right now. This is obviously not sponsored, I wish it was. But if you are a student, there is a sale going on from now until September 26th where you can actually get up to a $200 Apple gift card if you buy a Mac or an iPad, so a MacBook Air, Pro, or an iMac. And I think that's a really great deal. Guys didn't know, Apple offers just an education discount in general. The iMac that I got is normally $18.49 Canadian, and with the education discount I got it for $17.29 Canadian. So I encourage you guys to check out Apple and their education store. And yeah, like I said, if you buy it now until September 26th, you actually get a $200 gift card, which is a really great deal because I was planning on getting the new Apple Watch anyways. So I wanted to end this video off on that note because I think that is a pretty decent sale for something big like a computer. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!